Hi guys, welcome again. This is Shubham. You are watching Miniature RPM Redlines. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is the box of the 1/18 scale diecast model of the Tata Nano. Let's keep the car aside for a meanwhile. Look at this. It has openable doors, steerable front wheels, working suspension, openable hood and removable spare tire as well. So let's keep this aside and look at the car. So this is the car itself, very well detailed exterior. Just look at the lights, very well detailed, mirrors as well, and the tail lights as well. So let's get inside of the car. These are the openable doors and very well detailed interior as well, and these are the steerable front wheels. So let's close the doors and let's check out the hood. So this is the hood of the car, and let's remove the spare tire. This is the spare tire and very well detailed, and this is from the inside. So let's put this spare tire inside, and this is the underbody of the car, very well detailed exhaust and the engine also. So let's check out the suspension. So yes, so this was the video of the Tata Nano. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, that is the like button, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye, take care.